How to fix YouTube notifications not showing. Hello and welcome back to our channel, and let us get started. First of all, make sure that your application YouTube is updated. Head over to your Play Store and here search for YouTube. If you see update instead of open, tap update and update your app. Now let's go ahead and open up our YouTube. Here tap on the subscriptions and choose any account that you are subscribed to. Tap on visit channel. Make sure that you have toggled on notifications here as well. Tap on subscribed, then tap on all. That way you will receive notifications for all the videos that this channel uploads. Now let's go ahead and open up our settings. Here scroll below onto apps and search for YouTube. As you do so, under privacy, tap onto notifications and make sure that you have toggled on allow notifications. Just like so, this is how you can fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.